ACT Building Systems is a software company based in the US and Australia. Our software designs cold-formed steel buildings because cold-formed is easy. Easy to make, easy to sell, easy to engineer, easy to build, and easy to buy. We partnered with the top roll formers in the world to create ACT Dimensions, an all-in-one platform for designing, selling, and engineering steel buildings. By taking each manufacturer's component specifications, we can tailor the software to create steel buildings using all components made in-house. Manufacturers can sell direct or create their own network of client distributors. For those selling buildings, ACT Dimensions provides easy entry into the cold-formed business. The software is easy to use and backed by an industry-leading support team. Using our free 3D lead generator and online reporting tools, your team will be selling buildings in no time. ACT offers engineers easy entry into cold-formed as well. ACT Dimensions designs each building to local codes, and every building comes with stamped engineering drawings. We offer engineers a great opportunity to grow their business with no additional advertising. ACT also offers erectors the opportunity to expand their portfolio. The learning curve for cold-formed is short for both post-frame and red iron builders. ACT not only offers easy-to-use documentation, but a host of online construction training videos. What does all this mean for building buyers? You can design your building online, request a quote, and make your purchase all without having to set foot in an office. You'll have peace of mind knowing your building is safe, strong, sustainable, and above all, beautiful. Easy to make, easy to sell, easy to engineer, easy to build, easy to buy. Whatever your need, ACT makes cold-formed easy.